If you like Ben 10, press subscribe.
Forget all the promises you made, and you might regret talking me this day, so I'll just go slow.
Rada rada, my brothers and sisters by God. This is your brother in Christ, Abstract Schnitzel, here with another video. In this Omni-News video, you might just be excited for the new alien design that just came out. Fast Track! Finally, Ben10 Omniverse art director Derek J. Wyatt released a few sketches of Fast Track, then released a colored version of the final product, both with and without the shades. I'm guessing the shades protect his eyes from air pressure when he's running. Or maybe they're only there to look cool. Anyway, I like the design. Now we have all designs from the GoFundMe fundraiser except the Omniverse Generator X design, which should be coming out next. Derek also has been answering a lot of interesting questions on Ask.fm. One user on Ask.fm hoped for more art after Rex, and Derek said that he and Josh are considering doing a Patreon where they design new characters based on themes for the shows he's worked on and even other things they haven't worked on. They'd set up polls to choose what characters to do, and the Patreon idea could bring us more Omniverse designs. He said that he wants to do other stuff besides just Ben's aliens, and said that Perkins aliens and Reboot aliens are possibilities for designs. Clancy is apparently something that was somewhat highly requested for Omniverse. However, he said he probably won't make an Ultimate Alien version of his Omniverse Fast Track design. It's nice to see that he's still planning on Omniverse art after this GoFundMe fundraiser. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And thank you for watching Omni-News, your #1 source for Ben 10 news. And don't forget that God is just. God bless.
Let's move on. Feel your body.